Hi guys!
It's me, Tinmay Arcenas, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am with my husband, Tamayo. He has also a YouTube channel. He makes business videos about layer poultry farming business. In this video, we're gonna unbox a PR package from DrAdam. So, very excited ako kasi yung mabigyan ka ng trust, ng tiwala ng isang brand na ipa-review yung product nila. So, I hope you join us in our unboxing. Ito na yung PR package na na-receive namin and hindi ko pa talaga siya nabubuksan para magkaroon ako ng first impression and mini review na din sa kung anong laman ng PR package na to. Dalawa yung pinadala sa amin, one for me and one for Dwight.
Thank you, Doc Adam.
Yes, thank you so much, Doc Adam, and to Ate Clarice Espinilla for making this
thank you,
possible.
Ate.
Alam naman natin na si Doc Adam is known in making health-related videos. Kaya yung mga ino-offer din niya na products, yung may numerous health benefits, very timely to because pandemic nga and we really have to take good care of our health. So, ito yung mga nakuha namin. I-unwrap lang namin kasi may mga bubble wrap pa talaga siya. Here are the products we got from Doc Adam. We have here chia seeds, also quinoa, and then
Meron tayong almonds.
of course, the last but not the least, we're gonna unbox this perfect blender. This is a portable and rechargeable blender from Doc Adam. Personally, mahilig talaga ako sa blender kasi kami ni Dwight sobrang hilig namin talaga sa smoothie. Minsan nagpapakuha lang kami dito sa farm namin ng buko tapos sinishake ko sa blender na malaki. Since this is a portable blender, mas madalas na siguro kaming makakapaggawa ng smoothie. This is the portable blender from Doc Adam. Mine is in white and gold color. And sa'yo?
Sa akin naman ay silver gray.
This is how the blender looks like sa malapitan. Yan, sobrang aesthetic. When you open the box, you'll be able to see this user manual. So, ito yung user manual niya. Dito sa user manual, nakasulat dito yung operation instruction niya, how to clean, store, and maintain this blender, and also yung kanyang specifications, yung warning tips, yung parts ng blender, yung other notes and care instructions na dapat yung tandaan para tumagal to sa inyong blender. Of course, we have the blender itself. Sobrang ganda ng color niya. Very aesthetic din. Yang ganito lang yung kanyang height. Almost same lang siya ng measurement ng aking forearm. So, sobrang liit niya talaga. So, ito yung kanyang cup. And then, ito yung base ng blender. This one. And then, dito sa base ng blender, you'll be able to see its indicator kung nagcha-charge siya, kung full charge siya. And then, sa likod ng indicator, you'll be able to see the USB port. So, that's why dito sa box na to, there's also a USB charging cable that comes with the blender. And then, we also have the sip and seal lid. Pagtanggal mo ng cup na to, pwede mo lang siyang gawing cover. And the purpose of this cover is to keep your fruits fresh for longer after pumping the air out. So, yung pag-pump ng air, so, ipupull mo lang siya up. Yan. Para ma-pump mo yung air kung meron kang mga fruits, smoothie sa loob na to. So, after mong gumawa ng smoothie, you can just bring this anywhere you go. I think that's it for our unboxing. And later, we're gonna make some smoothie, of course, with Dwight. Gagawa tayo ng recipe kasi sobrang hiling nga namin ng smoothie. We still need to charge this blender kasi I think hindi siya magagamit while charging and hindi siya magagamit pag hindi fully charged yung blender na to. Yung nagustuhan ko sa mga products na pinadala sa amin, yung packaging nila kasi naka-ziplock siya, vacuum sealed din sila. And then sa packaging, you'll also be able to see the nutrition facts, andito din yung contents, how to use, andito din yung expiration date. So, very detailed yung kanilang packaging. Sobrang healthy ng kanilang mga products kasi like for example, itong chia seeds nito, which is high in dietary fiber and certified organic din to.
Yung sa almonds ay high in dietary fiber din at saka a source of protein.
Then we also have quinoa, which is also source of protein, also high in dietary fiber, and certified organic din talaga to. Actually, yung quinoa, ito yung kadalasan na substitute sa rice sa mga health conscious na mga tao, especially pag nag-gym ka, nagda-diet ka. So, chia seeds has numerous benefits such as it boosts your immune system. It is also good for your hair, skin, and nails. So, it also aids in digestion and many more. So, itong mga products na to, very timely na dumating to sa amin ni Dwight because since it's pandemic, we really need to take good care of our health with the food that we eat. You have to charge it first for 6 hours bago nyo gamitin para makagawa kayo ng smoothie. So, babalikan namin kayo after 6 hours and then gagawa na tayo ng recipe.
Hours later.
We're done charging these two blenders. Yung sabi kasi 6 hours yung charging time nito. Pero actually, etong grain na to, yung sa kay Dwight, 12:30 kasi kami nag-start mag-charge nito. And then, natapos to 1:30. So, 1.5 hours lang, no? And then ito, natapos to 3:30 p.m. So, mga 3.5 o 3.5 hours. So, na-shorten yung pag-charge. Siguro dahil merong factory charge na yung mga blenders. Very happy kami na mas mapa-early namin gamitin yung mga blenders kasi time check, it's 3:50 in the afternoon. So, saktong-sakto sa merienda.
So, excited na kami na matry itong blender na to para sa aming mga smoothies. Dahil nga pandemic, mas maganda talaga na merong mga fruits and vegetables sa ating tables para makatulong magpa-boost ng ating immune system.
Yeah. Kunin mo na yung blender mo. Before nga pala kami guys mag-start na gamitin tong blenders na to. So, paalala lang kasi yung may arrow dito sa cup ng blender and then yung base ng blender meron ditong parang bilog. Dapat naka-align yung arrow sa circle para mag-work yung blender kasi pag hindi siya naka-align, hindi din siya mag-work. Also, make sure na flat surface yung paglalagyan mo. We have here our fave fruits. So, we have apple, mangoes, bananas. So, lalagyan din namin yung aming mga smoothies ng chia seeds. So, yan yung gagawin naming smoothies. Today, we will be making a very simple recipe. We also have milk here. And then, mamaya, kukuha tayo ng ice cubes para mas refreshing talaga yung gagawin nating smoothie. Kasi, reminder po na hindi kasi to pwedeng lagyan ng mga ice cubes, lalong-lalo na kung more than 1 inch yung ice cubes kasi
masisira yung blade niya. So, anything na masyadong matigas na hindi pwedeng ilagay sa ating blender.
What's your choice of fruit?
So, ang itatry ko yung apple tsaka yung banana.
Okay, ako banana din. And then, 1 mango for me. Yan. So, ito yung mimix ko, yung banana and then apple, and then kay Dwight,
apple tsaka
banana. So, very easy lang to. Guys, according dito sa ating manual na you really need to cut the fruits into pieces kasi nga, para ma-blend talaga siya and para tuloy-tuloy yung pag-rotate ng blade ng blender natin para hindi din siya mag-stop. Guys, kanina, while charging, binasa ko talaga yung manual and sobrang napaka-clear ng instruction ng kanilang manual. Very simple din yung pagka-explain. Magaguide ka talaga kung paano mag-clean ng blender, paano gamitin, and yung mga hindi dapat ilagay sa blender. Careful nga din pala kayo pag maglinis kayo ng blender kasi medyo sharp yung blade ng blender para iwas sa sugat din.
Dapat ilagay nyo sa tamang lagayan na hindi talaga maaabot ng inyong mga kids.
Do not leave this blender unattended, especially, sabi nga ni Dwight, pag may mga kids kayo. Tapos na kami pareho ni Dwight mag-slice ng aming mga fruits. So ngayon ilalagay na namin yung aming mga fruits sa cup ng blender. So yan, linagay na namin yung fruits na gusto namin gawing smoothie dito sa cup ng blender and then maglalagay lang kami ng milk. And then lalagyan din natin ng chia seeds. I-shake muna natin before natin i-blend. First time namin tong actually to try, kaya magbibigay kami ng first impression, also mga advantages and disadvantages nito. So for free lang pinadala sa amin to ni Doc Adam ng company, pero we will still give our 101% honest opinion and thoughts about these blenders. And guys, pag umili mo na siya, meaning aligned na yung ating cup, blender cup, and then yung base ng blender. And ready to blend na yung ating blender. Okay? So, are you ready, love?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, ready? Ready na ka?
Ready na.
Okay. So, dapat dalawang push ng button ito.
1, 2, 3, and go.
So, according sa manual, 45 seconds straight siya na mag-blend, and then after 45 seconds to prevent overheating daw, so it will automatically stop. Pwede nyo naman gamitin ulit. Okay. Pag enough na siyang ma-blend yung ating mga fruits, then pwede na siyang i-serve. Wow! Tingnan mo kung blended talaga siya.
Oo, halos talaga, liquid na talaga lahat.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Okay, cheers. So, ngayon lalagyan ko ng ice cubes yung aming glass. Yan. Para cold talaga siya and refreshing naman siya. Okay, let's pour our smoothie. Yay! Okay, so i-mix lang natin siguro, no?
So ito ay...
Okay, cheers! So no joke, super sarap yung smoothie, as in blended talaga siya ng mabuti. Smoothie is so good. Hindi nga umabot ng 45 seconds, no? Yung
hindi pa pumatay yung
yes,
blender.
hindi pa pumatay yung blender, pero as in blended na talaga yung mga linagay naming fruits. And mas okay to kasi portable. If you're a traveler, you can just bring this with you anywhere you go, anytime.
Kahit walang kuryente yung lugar
yes,
na pupuntahan mo. Pwede nyo ito dalhin sa gym.
Yeah, protein shake.
Protein shake.
Oo. Yung ginagamit kasi namin ditong blender paggawa ng smoothie is yung traditional na blender, which is sobrang laki, walang ang kuryente pa doon, yung bagong farm namin. So, madadala lang namin kahit walang electricity pa doon. So, makakagawa kami ng smoothie.
Pwede ka mamitas ng mga fruits doon, tapos
yes,
diretso ka agad dyan sa blender. So, instant
smoothie na. So, i-share namin sa inyo ngayon yung nagustuhan namin and yung hindi naman nagustuhan namin. This is my honest thoughts and opinion about this blender. For me, yung disadvantage muna, kasi yung charging time niya is 6 hours daw. Pero kanina nga, yung sa experience namin, hindi naman siya umabot sa 6 hours, and then you cannot use this blender while charging. That's my second disadvantage. Sa'yo, ano yung disadvantage mo?
Para sa akin, masyadong maliit yung cup ng blender. Although, para pang single person lang ito, hindi mo to masishare sa ibang tao sa isang blend lang talaga. So, kailangan mong i-blend ulit para ma-share mo sa kasama mo.
I think sa cup naman, kahit small siya, pero yun naman talaga siguro yung main purpose nitong blender, which is portable nga and very handy. So yung mga advantages naman namin is, personally, I like this one kasi very handy lang siya, as in sobrang gaan niya, very lightweight. It's easy to operate and very easy to use. You can just put it in your bag, you can just bring it anywhere you go. Kung mag-travel ka, pwede mong dalhin.
Yung isa sa nagandahan ko dito is, pwede mo siyang gamitin off-grid. So, kahit yun nga, walang kuryente, sa bukid, nasa travel ka. So, as long as meron siyang charge, pwede mo siyang gamitin.
Yung isang nagustuhan ko din, kasi very aesthetic siya. Yung design niya, very sleek siya. And then yung color niya, white and gold. And gusto ko talaga yung mga ganitong color kasi minimalist, ang sarap sa mata. If you also want to purchase Doc Adam's products such as blenders, yung almonds, chia seeds, quinoa, then I will link their website in the description box below para makapili kayo. Pwede kayong pumili doon ng mga products na pang-gifts sa family and friends nyo. And hindi lang blender and mga quinoa, almonds, and chia seeds yung andun sa kanilang online store nila. But they also offer resistance bands. In general, yung mga products na ino-offer ni Doc Adam related sa kanya because he shares mga health-related videos nga and para maging healthy din tayo.
So, thank you so much, Doc Adam, sa pagpapadala ng mga produkto.
So, if you also want to experience and try this blender with your loved ones, then yun, i-click nyo na yung website nila sa description box below. So, I think that is it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment if you have suggestions, requests, and recommendations in the comment section down below. And please subscribe to my channel, Tinmay Arcenas, and click the bell button beside it so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Mag-subscribe din kayo sa channel niya.
Doy Tomayo!
Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!
Bye!